Hi y'all, this is gonna be my unboxing video. So this week a lot of people have been getting their ABH PR packages after the little recent talent scout search these last few weeks, and I was luckily chosen, and I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone who helped me get to this point, because that's a huge deal. I told you guys on Twitter that I'm doing my PR with these little nails right here. My nail tech, she really like popped off, and you know, we love a multi-functioning set. So I have, oh, that shit good as fuck. So I have my box right here. It's gonna be a cute and simple video, and of course, please, 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 if you're interested to see where this channel goes and would like to grow with me, please hit that subscribe button right over here. Of course, as always, it's free, gratis, and 0% interest. Without further ado, let's get into this PR unboxing. You'd be surprised how hard it is to find bugles to fit my fat ass fingers. Y'all see that? That shit chipped. So we'll see how long she lasts, but I'm gonna go with it. So diving into this package, we got the Anastasia loose highlighters in the shades Sunset Aura, so Hollywood, and Snowflake here. I believe this is the ABH hand mirror. It's a nice little compact, real cute. That's what we're gonna do? Okay. Nice compact mirror. I'm definitely gonna get into this. She's cute. Let me replace my nail. Period. Just like a boy. Weak but replaceable. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and dive into the box. Oh yes, ma'am. So I see we got some brow products. Are you joking? Bitch, get on there. So we have the Anastasia brow setting gel, clear brow gel right here, and the new dip brow gels. I actually never got a chance to use this or see it in person, but I'm definitely excited to get into this. A lot of people are raving about it, so definitely gonna use that in the video. So it looks like Anastasia had some beauty blenders out here. I don't know, are we allowed to like talk about this? I don't think they sell these. There's a little exclusive something. I'm hungry, but ooh, I'm definitely gonna see what this is about. That's cute. And then this is what I was super duper excited about. This little keychain situation we got going. It's like a little fluffy pillow kind of thing with a nice little sturdy base around it. Gonna hang that up somewhere. Okay, my thumb is playing too much. Let me take a shot every time I eat one of my nails. Y'all gonna be drunk as fuck. Okay, so moving on. Damn, sis. Okay, I feel like this is every brush that they sell on their website. So get into her. Bitch, I do not have to wash my brushes. This is gonna give me some extended time to be lazy. Gonna use all these first. Period. Moving on. I don't know what this is actually, and I can't see from the bubble wrap. So we might have to like dissect it real quick. Yeah, and if you can hear that, the kids are back, you know, wrestling roaches. I just broke my nail again. 3 shots. Okay, so let's find out what's in here. It's like bubble wrap, tight as hell. Damn, why is it that serious? I still don't know what this is. It just has the logo on it. I guess let's find out. I see some powder. Maybe it's the contour kits. Okay, I took one out. I'm gonna open up the first one. Oh, bitch. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so thankfully, none of them, okay, one broke a little bit. This is actually the single shadows. This is one of them, the Z palette. Wait, I gotta do product shot. Yes, ma'am. Get into this. I broke a nail. Second, fourth, fifth shot, I lost track. Bitch, where did my nail go? Did it go in the box? Okay, so then I'm just gonna go ahead and open the other one so you guys can see what shades are in there. Please don't be broken. Oh no! Okay, we have a little more damage in here, but all for all, there's only like only one shade that messed up, which would be this one right here. Where you at? This shade's right here, the only one that like really fucked up. But everything else is like on pristine condition. That's okay, I'm gonna still use her. She's still beautiful. Any shape or size, we love her. Put her over there gently. She's been through it. Shit, coming from California all the way to Philly, like literally across the country, I'm surprised only like one shadow broke, and that's like hardly even considered broken. Let me replace my nail real quick. Booyah. I'm not doing my thumb anymore because my thumb is fat as fuck and I can't, the bugles, they just can't handle it. So we're gonna move on. Okay, so we have some brow wiz and like an actual pencil. I didn't know they had that. I sound like such a fake fan not knowing half the things in here, but oh, this is a gel liner. Okay, so 2 brow wiz, whatever this is at the top, and this is a gel liner. Yeah, I sound like such a fraud. Anastasia's gonna watch this video and be like, just take them off right now. Okay, moving on before I get canceled. Ooh, we have the Legendary Mist Hydrating Oil. Get into this. She's so pretty. Isn't she thickening? Booyah! We got 4 foundation sticks, I believe. They're in the shades, let me tell y'all right now. We got the shades Warm Tan, Golden, and Honey. So far I'm getting a lot more than I thought. I'm very like blessed and highly favored. So we got one big ass bag of 1 glitter. I don't know what the deal with that is. I'm pretty sure they sold more glitters, but I guess they know me. I actually hate glitter. I don't fuck with glitter like that. So 1 is enough. Y'all knew. We don't waste product in this house. Oh, we got some more brushes right here. Oh, bitch. Okay, I dropped the nail. Shot number 7. I don't know. I think these are mostly like brow brushes from what I can see. She's looking cute. Okay, we gotta replace the pinky. Period. Ooh, I spoke too soon. Okay, so they were also kind enough to actually send me the glitters. As much as I don't like them, but if Anastasia says they want glitter in their promo pics, then I'll try to use them. But okay, we got glitters. It's in my kit, so I can't say I never have any. Can y'all? So these look like, this is interesting. This is I got the Dip Brow pomade, and then the Jet liner, which I've been very curious about because I've never used eyeliner from a pot, and I'm guessing this is their powder eyebrow stuff. I use granite for my brows, and I have black hair, so I'm kind of wondering where dark brown came from. Thank you, but not my shade. But we'll finesse it. I still got my granite over there, even though I'm running out. I was hoping to get another, but I do not use brown, so well, I'll figure something out. So we got the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Sun Dip. I think I actually have one, so maybe I'll do like a giveaway here. I don't want to touch it with my nails, not to get it too dirty, but if y'all want to see the inside, here we go. Looking nice and fresh. This is actually a beautiful palette. This was actually one of my first highlighter palettes that I've purchased, so to have a second one given to me by the company, it's like a little, I'm having a moment, but we're gonna, whew, hold those tears, bitch. All right, yes, okay, these are what I think they are. Yes, okay, so we got a blush trio. This is the Pool Party blush trio, and bronzer and cappuccino. Bitch, can we get in camera, sis? These colors are beautiful. I don't know if this bronzer is going to do it, but we'll find out. I'm optimistic. Let's see, we got a lot of stuff. Oh, she's cute. Okay, so we get like a nice little, what is this, like a pen, a bobby pin? Is she in focus? Hello? And they're like tweezers. Girl, we got exclusive shit. Oh, we got another blush. Cute. Okay, this one is in Cocktail Party, so we need to do, I just broke a nail, but look at these colors. Yes, ma'am. Okay, we got 2 for 1. Shots number 12 and 13. We got replacements. No, we don't. Shots number 15. Moving on, we still have a lot of stuff here. Let's get these big bags out of the way. Bitch. Are you kidding me? So we got like literally every liquid lipstick collection. Hello? Fuck, I'm excited to use these. I love, especially if I see her, yes I do. Requiem right here. Can I get her on camera? I believe this is her right here. This blue teal one. I wanted that forever, but I just never had like the chance to get it. Oh, what a blessing. Okay, let's see. What are these? Okay. Oh shit, I forgot Anastasia had lip glosses. Bitch, I'm going to town. I think this is like, which one is this one? Moon Jelly or something? Yes, bitch, I'm a stan. I know exactly what shade that is. I've been dying to get Moon Jelly. This one's gorgeous. This gold one over here is gorgeous. Yes, so I think we got all the lip glosses here. Okay, so we got a little baggie with, what is this? With some official Anastasia, you can't even see this one. Okay, Anastasia little lash scissors, I believe, or brow tamers. You can trim your brows with that. A sharpener. We got the tweezers in the back. It's a little dark. I don't know if you can see them. And then I believe I see some brow stencils in here. I'm trying to like, right there, do you see it? She's in there. So that's cute. I heard you can use those scissors to like trim your lace fronts, which I mean, that's for the culture. Hello? Wait, is this more blushes? Holy shit, okay, wait, they sent like all their blushes out, y'all. Oh shit, okay. So we got Peach Love Blush and another bronzer in Saddle. Where's the rest of my blushes? They're over here. I'm just stacking them up because I just broke a nail. So shot number 38. And then for this one, we got, oh, these are two blushes entirely by themselves. We got Pink Passion and Berry Adore. I've been dying to try these. Okay, we got the nice little glitter adhesive for the Anastasia glitters, of course. Oh yes, ma'am, I've been dying to use this. We got the Dewy set. I heard good things about this. Definitely gonna use that in my routine for sure. I love me a good face spray. Okay, I think we're now hitting palettes. Oh wait, we got some, oh bitch, okay. So I think these are all the bullet lipsticks. Okay, so now we're hitting palettes. So let's go in one by one. Yes, ma'am. Oh wait, I don't wanna fuck up the velvet packaging with my nails, so I'm gonna be very careful. We got the one and only legendary Miss Subculture. Y'all know I will not shut up about this palette. As much shit as y'all giving this girl, she pulled through all the time. Oh god. A fresh Subculture? Are you kidding me? I'm gonna get into her best believe that. And I just broke a nail. Shot number 48. Go in. Okay, we good. Oh, I never got a chance to use this palette at all. So we got legendary Miss Prism over here. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. I actually forgot about her color story. Oh yes. Yes. Get into this. All of ABH's palettes, like just, they go so hard for no reason. Okay, ooh, is this Miss? We got Miss Soft Glam. So I do not have Prism or Soft Glam, so these are new to me. Get into her. Ooh. If I ever do like clientele, I feel like this would be a good go-to palette. So again, thank you very much, ABH. Oh yes, okay, wait. I might actually cry. My first high-end makeup purchase was the queen, the iconic, the legendary, the undisputed, highly respected, undefeatable modern Renaissance. I wanted a new one for so long, and I was dead ass gonna buy a new one just to have a new one. Y'all, this palette, I feel like when this palette dropped, it like shook the makeup game. No, you need to be in focus, sweetheart. But wow. Okay, my stomach is like feeling really weird looking at this. I'm getting emotional. Feelings are getting brought up that I do not want in this video. So we're gonna keep it pushing. Alright, so what do we got here? Oh yes, of course. They have a lot of palettes. I totally forgot about. Miss Norvina herself. Get into her. Let's get into this colors. Ooh, yes, a lot of cool tones. These shimmers look poppin'. Yes, this is actually a beautiful palette. Ooh, Soul is calling my name. I need to get into Soul right here. Do you see her? See Soul right there? I need to get into that. That is so pretty. And we got one more palette, which is, of course, the legendary Miss Riviera palette. Literally just bought this like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it's gorgeous. I love this palette so much. It low-key is coming for Miss Modern Renaissance's neck. Bitch, these colors, are you kidding? This palette is fucking gorgeous. Though a lot of people say, and I do agree because I said it myself, all it really needed was like a dark like navy blue over, like everybody else could go home. That's all it needed. Like literally like the shade of the packaging, like this blue, bitch, if we had that as a matte shadow, fuck the game. Like Everybody else can go home. ABH one. Go take a nap. Ooh, okay. And then last but not least, we have, oh God, this is actually like the biggest thing I was excited for. We have a Anastasia Beverly Hills hand mirror, bitch. Oh my God. If y'all really like followed me since the beginning, I've had this rickety old hand mirror in my old videos. She long gone now. And the fact that we made it to this point and I can use this. This is gonna be in every video of mine, like hands down. I've wanted one of these for so long. Like, it feels so official now. Like, bitch, this is mine. This is really mine. Woo! Okay. And yeah, that concludes it. That's everything in the box. We out this bitch. No more. We done. We good. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can take like a nice aerial shot for you guys and wrap this video up. So yeah, here's a little aerial view of the entire package lined up and looking cute. And yeah, I just really want to make this video to inspire those to keep going. There's, you know, that light at the end of the tunnel. You'll get there eventually. Also to memorialize this event, just in case my tweets catch up to me and I'm taken off the list. This is proof that I made it and y'all can't tell me otherwise. So enjoy.